Hello mate, how was your weekend? This weekend I stayed at home. I washed the clothes and cooked some food, and I went to the Coles supermarket. I bought this one yogurt. It was 90 cents. This orange juice, it was $4.60, and rice, it was $1.80. Finally, this one got milk powder. It just was $3.75. Bye bye.